Welcome to the MKA Upper School. I'm going to give you a tour of the green roof and show you the plants that we're growing and some of the benefits of having a green roof on our building. So, come on up. All right, we've got planter boxes up here and we've got some pollinator species right now. We're growing these so that the bees and the butterflies have a place to land and feed, and we are part of the bigger ecosystem, and so we contribute to that ecosystem by having pollinator species. We also have some other planter boxes that right now don't have any food in them, but it's the beginning of the growing season, so we're going to plant some food in here that we can eat because it's important to eat locally sourced food. The farther it comes from to get to you, the more energy it takes, the more pollution it causes. But if you eat food that you grow in your own garden or that's grown within a 100-mile radius of your house, then there's much less energy that goes into that food. Here's the green roof. So we see that there's a lot of sedum here. Sedum is a plant that can withstand drought and it can withstand a lot of rain. And what it does is it insulates the building below, so it allows us to use our air conditioner less, and it also captures rainwater and causes less stormwater runoff, which is very important in this area. In New Jersey, we have combined sewer systems where the stormwater runoff mixes with the wastewater from houses and businesses and schools, and if the stormwater flows too fast, it'll overwhelm the system, and they actually just allow the wastewater to go directly into the streams. So water that falls onto this roof gets captured by the soil, gets absorbed by the plants. Some of it, while it stays here, it evaporates. And so that allows us to really help the township manage stormwater runoff. And then we've got these blue stones because if we had a lot of weight in the middle of the roof, then the roof would kind of sag in the middle. So we need to balance the roof. And these stones are made of 100% recycled glass, made in Park City, Utah. Then these tubes right here are solar tubes. Because there's about 6 to 8 feet in between the roof and the ceiling of the academic center below, we need to use mirrors on these tubes, which then allow the natural sunlight to go in and be dispersed down below, and that allows people to have a better mood. When you have natural light instead of artificial light, you feel better, you can focus better, and at a school, we want our students to be able to focus. And then you'll notice over here, we have a roof that is white instead of black. And this has a high albedo, and the high albedo means that it reflects the sun's light, so it's not absorbing so much heat, and that also allows us to use less air conditioning for the academic center below. Come on over here. And here we have a bird feeder and a bird bath, providing 2 of the 3 necessary things to be a National Wildlife Foundation wildlife habitat. And so the green roof is a wildlife habitat because it provides food, it provides water, and nearby, especially in the trees, but also perhaps on the green roof itself, there's shelter. And those are the 3 things necessary to be certified as a habitat. So wildlife, like birds or squirrels or things like that, can find the things that they need to survive up here. So the green roof at MKA is certified as a National Wildlife Federation habitat, which is pretty awesome. We compost our food here at MKA because our trash goes to an incinerator nearby, and the pollution from the incinerator impacts people in Newark in the Ironbound district, and we do not want to contribute to the health problems of those people with our trash. So we divert trash from the waste stream by composting our food in this composter. And so we put it in here, and then all we need to do is spin it around a little bit, and that mixes it up. And then we let the microbes do their thing, and you can see the compost in there. And we've got a banana peel and some dirt and some roots and things like that are all gonna compost into nutrients for plants. We also have a sundial that tells you what time class starts in case your watch doesn't work. It's 12:10, time to go. A weather station that connects to WeatherBug. So if you go to weatherbug.com, you can download an app and you can connect to MKA's upper school at the green roof, where it tells you the rainfall, precipitation, wind speed, and a few other factors. We also have a video camera that shows a view of the green roof and a view of the New York City skyline. And so that's a tour of the green roof. Hope you enjoyed it. Come on up sometime.